Jamie decides it is right to decide.
The Troy University Choral Department held its annual event for Troy choral students and invited some local students from around the area.
We're doing the Vocal Jazz and More workshop. Traditionally, this is our 6th year having it. It's a recruiting event for us. We bring a clinician in from around the country who have experience in commercial music and in vocal jazz.
The workshop brought in Cindy Dickin as the featured clinician for the workshop, who worked with the Troy students as well as all of the local students invited to the workshop. Dr. Diane Arlowski talks about how the process works.
We perform for her, and then she fixes and plays around with our technique and gives us a new way of thinking about something, perhaps. With the high school kids and with the community college students that were here today, she basically starts from where they are and then just adds her own flavor.
The workshop featured 2 distinctly different days where the Troy students and the local students were able to work with the clinician to hone their skills as musicians.
They work with our kids on Wednesday of the week, and then our kids is Frequency, and that's the Vocal Jazz Ensemble at Troy. And then on Thursday we invite area schools to come in, and it's been a terrific 2 days.
The workshop wrapped up on Thursday with solo clinics for local high school students. Noah Pevey, Troy, TrojanVision News.